Hey, welcome back, my fellow crypto investors. It's me, ET, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about ways to increase one's net worth. And you know, we have to get involved in crypto because crypto is here to stay. However, crypto is one of the most volatile, violent asset classes out there for investors. Now, if you're a trader, you probably like it. But to be involved in crypto as an investor, you must have a clad iron stomach, you must have vision, and you gotta be patient. December proves that. Let's take a look at my crypto performance in the month of December 2021.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks.
My December crypto performance. I tell you what, it's not going to look good. Not compared to what the performance we had in November. Remember the video? I believe I released it on for November. It showed us up 51%. Amazing how things change so quickly in the crypto market. So let's just go ahead and get into it. This here is my summary sheet for my Humble Financial ETXs. ETXs are exchange traded indexes. Humble has a group of products, I believe a total of 9 different products. It's really like a mutual fund for the various crypto assets. We're talking about currency as well as the other assets in crypto. This here is my summary sheet. I am involved in, was that 7 of the 9 that they have available. And my total cost basis is for all of this adds up to about $2,900. And as you can see, I am down to $2,176.29. I am down 22%. Here are the various different products that they have. I'll give you an idea of how each one of these are structured, the main ones here. All right, this here is block 3. Block 3 really just represents that they're going to have 3 assets within this block. 50% of it's going to be Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, Litecoin represents the other 25%. Then we have block 5, of course, 5 crypto assets there, Bitcoin being the biggest one there with 35%. And we see Ethereum 25%, Litecoin 20%, Chainlink 10, and Cardano 10. This here is block 10. Here you get to see the breakdown for block 10. This here is the global enterprise block, and here is the composition for that. Now, this here is a month-to-month current value for my Humble ETX, the total value for those Humble ETX. And I started that back in April. And as you can see, the overall performance, this is just the total value. As you can see here in September, we started climbing up. Everything was looking good. I was feeling good about this performance here. Then all of a sudden we get into December and we started heading south. It's very possible we may be in what they call a crypto winter. If that's the case, not a problem. I'll stick with it and just be patient. This here is my Coinbase. I also have an account in Coinbase. In my Coinbase account, I am down 25%. My initial investment in Coinbase is about $7,700, and as you can see, the current value now is at 58.01. Now, within Coinbase, the Humble ETX platform rests on Coinbase Pro. So within Coinbase, it's going to include my my ETX positions with Humble, as well as mine separate from that. But overall, when you add up all of it, my initial investment is $7,700. It's down to, it's down 25%. The other platform that I have crypto in is Robinhood. Robinhood, my initial cost basis investment was $4,000. It is at 43.1540. I am up 8%. One of the main reasons why is because I've actually had this the longest, even though the chart doesn't indicate that. I actually opened this account up for crypto trading back in February. And if you remember, my biggest performer back then was Dogecoin, and all of the shares of Dogecoin that I currently have, that's house. I took out all of my investment. When it ran up in March, I took out all my investments, and I'm just playing now with Dogecoin when it comes with the house money, as they say. So that helped out a lot so far as me to end up at a net profit of 8%. Now, the other account that I have my crypto in is in Webull. Webull, my initial investment was $3,300. I am down to 25.8886, which is a 22% loss on my investment, but that's not a problem. Here is a copy of my coins in all the various accounts. Remember, I have Coinbase Pro, Webull, Robinhood. And here are the coins in alphabetical order and what I have for each one of those. Let's just concentrate on the big boys. The big boys, of course, quite naturally, is going to be Bitcoin. As you can see, I have a tenth of a Bitcoin. I'm going to, my goal with anyone with having a Bitcoin is to get up to a full uh, whole Bitcoin. Right now, I just got a fractional piece of a Bitcoin. So that's where we're at with that. The other big player here that I want to focus on is Ethereum. And I'm almost up to one full coin on Ethereum, 0.85. So I've got only about 15% to go. So during this time with the crypto market actually heading south, this may be time to go ahead and build up my position in Ethereum to get to a full coin. But this here is everything that I have here. If you see this one here, this is Shiba Inu. I've got a total of about 37 million shares. That one there, I am not going to do anything with that one. That's going to ride or die. It's either going to turn around and go up or it'll go to zero. I'm not going to add anything more to it. We'll just see how that all pans out. Now, this here is just an overall. It combines all of my crypto assets into one quick dashboard, I guess you can call it. Total investment in the crypto market is $15,000. Coinbase Pro, the value is 58. That's the one that I'm down. Robinhood, the value is 43, and Webull is 25. Current value of all of those together is $12,706. I am down $2,294, which represents 15% of my initial investment. I have no problem with that. This here is a buy as a month to month total value of my cryptocurrency. And as you can see, overall, I'm down 15%. That's the current value there. And that's where I stand. There you have it. December crypto performance was ugly with a capital R. My advice to any crypto investor is to be patient. Enjoy the ride. It's like being on a roller coaster. You love it when it's going up. You hate it when it goes down. And always remember this also when you're dealing with any type of asset class. You really don't win or lose until you sell. Everything right now is unrealized. Once you sell it, you have either a realized gain or you have a realized loss. With all that being said, guys, I will see you next month when we talk about the performance in January. And always remember this. You got to save, you got to invest, you got to apply what you know, because knowledge by itself is not power. It's the application of knowledge that's power. So guys, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.